Hey friends, if you encounter this error, the server security certificate is not yet valid on any browser, then please watch this video. Now see, there are two cases. One is that the security certificate is actually not valid, and the second thing is that it is mismatching with your system. And in this case, my suggestion is to try it on an alternate browser. Like if you're using it on Firefox, try it on Microsoft Edge. If it still does not work, then the issue can be with the date and time. So check the date and time, and if it's incorrect, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select date and time in the right pane. Check all of these three buttons and then go to sync now and then say tick mark. So this is one good way of fixing the problem, and if that doesn't help, then you will have to contact the website administrator or check its server. I'll tell you how to check its server. Let's say that the website was Roblox, just for the sake of this example. So search for Roblox server status and hit enter, and then go to the to downdetector.com and check the server status here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.